Behold the Magicard 300 card printer. It's the latest card printer in the Magicard range and is a new and improved version of the highly popular Magicard Enduro3e model. In today's short video, I'm going to be giving you my honest opinion of the new machine, and we're also going to be looking at some of the key features such as the price, security, support and the overall print quality, which in return will hopefully make your decision to buy the new model that little bit easier. Let's start with price. So Magicard are pricing the 300 model at just $699, and what we love the most about this machine is that at the point of purchase you can upgrade to the dual-sided printer completely free of charge. Now, if you were to go out there and look for a dual-sided printer with a similar specification, you're probably going to look at paying anywhere between £750 to £1,000. So the additional benefit of upgrading at the point of purchase means you can add more information to the cards and you can make your overall design look less cluttered. Final benefit is that any unnecessary spend is removed further down the line, as the printer can already handle that changing task. What will the cards look like? Great question. So one of the big changes with the 300 model is the introduction of a wider colour spectrum. Now, in simple terms between me and you, all that means is that the cards you print have photo-like images, true clearer representation of logo and images, and crisp detailed text. Now, when a printer manufacturer releases a new printer, one of the things I always look for first off is any change to print speed and performance. So as an end user, you want the most quickest and efficient solution to print those ID cards, and with the new 300 model, Magicard have certainly delivered that. When we compare the 300 against the Enduro3e, the new 300 model is 60% faster, so some real time savings to be made when printing cards. What that results in is you can print 160 full colour cards per hour with the Magicard 300, and if you were still using the Enduro3e, you would only be able to print 100 cards per hour. Printing photo ID cards with no form of visual card security is simply a case of crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. Now, if you're the person responsible or you're held accountable for those printed cards, you need to protect yourself. So with the new Magicard 300, you're actually getting one of the most advanced visual card security features available on the market, included at no extra cost. So with the 300 model, what you now get is the ability to add a custom holocoat to every card you print. A custom holocoat is an image, a piece of text or a logo that is printed onto the surface of the card as a watermark. So that watermark is clearly visible when the card is held to the light. In terms of the benefit to you, you can easily spot any cloned attempts of your cards, and again making sure that those printed cards are not the cause of a security breach. Now, the 300 model is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, which also includes cover for the print head. Now, just like the dual-sided upgrade earlier on we spoke about, which is free of charge, this is another massive benefit to opting for the 300. If you were to look at adding that support package to any other printer manufacturer for the course of the 3 years, you're going to be looking at a cost of around £300 to £400. So again, this is built into the price and gives you that reassurance that there's a technical team behind you if you do encounter any issues when printing those cards. It wouldn't be a Magicard review video without us mentioning OneTreePlanted.org. So very recently, Magicard have partnered with OneTreePlanted.org, who are an organisation that helps forestation projects all around the globe. Now, you're probably asking, where do you fit into this? If you go ahead and buy a Magicard 300 from Digital ID or a Magicard 600, on behalf of Magicard, we will plant a new tree into one of those projects within our region. Now, doing so will help create a healthier environment for both nature, humanity and wildlife. Let's finish off by me giving you my expert verdict, and you're probably not surprised when I say we're going to be awarding the Magicard 300 5 stars out of 5. Now, if you're a first time buyer, you might be upgrading your Enduro3e or switching manufacturers. My honest advice for you is to go out there today, buy the printer and start reaping the rewards straight away. Now, what I love the most about this machine is the fact that it comes with a free upgrade to dual-sided printing, a 3-year support package, and an advanced card security feature, all at no extra cost built into the machine. Not to mention, it's reliable, efficient, and produces high quality ID cards. Job done.